In a small village, far from the noise of big cities, there lived a boy named Rin. Rin was quiet, curious, and always full of questions. Every night, he sat outside his little home and looked at the stars. He loved the sky because it made him feel peaceful. One evening, as Rin watched the sky, he saw something unusual. A small golden light appeared behind the trees. It was bright, warm, and moving slowly. Rin stood up. His heart was beating fast, but not from fear, from excitement. He whispered, "What are you?" The golden light moved again, as if it wanted him to follow. Rin walked into the forest. The night was quiet, only the sound of leaves under his feet. The light stayed in front of him, not too close, not too far, like a guide. As they moved deeper into the woods, Rin felt something strange. He felt safe, even though he was alone. He felt brave, even though the world was dark. After a long walk, the golden light stopped near an old tree, the oldest tree in the forest. Its branches spread wide, like giant arms. The light circled the tree and slowly faded away, as if melting into the air. Rin looked carefully, and he saw something written on the tree's trunk. A message. He read it out loud, slowly. "Every light you follow leads you to the light inside you." Rin stood still. The forest felt silent, like it was waiting for him to understand. He realized something important that night. Sometimes, the world gives you small signs, a moment of inspiration, a new idea, a feeling in your heart. And if you follow that feeling, that light, it takes you to a better version of yourself. Rin closed his eyes and took a deep breath. He felt stronger. He felt hopeful. He felt ready. When he opened his eyes, the forest looked brighter than before. He smiled and whispered, "Thank you." Rin walked back home, not with fear but with confidence, because he had finally understood, courage is not the absence of darkness. Courage is walking with your own light. And from that day on, whenever Rin felt lost or confused, he remembered the golden light and the message on the old tree.